Most people don't fear death. They fear being forgotten. The idea that one day you could disappear and nothing would change. No messages. No one noticing your absence. No space left behind. That thought is deeply unsettling. Let's break down the psychology behind the fear of being forgotten. 1. The need to matter. The human brain needs more than survival. It needs significance, not fame, not attention, just proof that your presence mattered to someone, somewhere. When the brain doesn't receive that proof, it doesn't feel calm, it feels invisible. Being forgotten feels like existing without meaning. 2. Absence. As a test, people don't consciously test this fear, but the mind does. It wonders quietly, if I stopped reaching out, would anyone notice? If I disappeared, would anything change? When the imagined answer feels like no, the fear intensifies, because absence revealing insignificance is one of the brain's deepest threats. 3. Replaceability. Awareness. Modern life makes this fear stronger. People are easy to replace. Messages never stop. Connections move fast. So the brain becomes aware of something disturbing. I am not essential. And when you feel replaceable, belonging feels fragile. If anyone can take your place, your value feels unstable. 4. Memory equals safety. From an evolutionary perspective, being remembered meant protection. In early human groups, those who were remembered were cared for. Those who were forgotten were left behind. That wiring still exists. So when people feel overlooked, ignored, or easily forgotten, the nervous system reacts as if safety is being removed. 5. Why silence makes it worse. Silence is the perfect environment for this fear. No response leaves room for the mind to imagine disappearance. Am I fading? Did I ever matter? The brain fills silence with the worst possible meaning. That's why being forgotten hurts quietly, but deeply. Fear of being forgotten is not insecurity. It's the mind searching for meaning in a world that moves fast and forgets faster. People don't want to be remembered forever. They just want to know they mattered somewhere. Because existing without impact never feels like existing at all. If you want to understand the hidden psychology behind human behavior, subscribe to the Shadow Mindset. We don't chase attention, we decode meaning.